Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we tackle those pesky appliance issues head-on. Today, we're diving into the world of Electrolux ovens and specifically how to fix that frustrating error code F90 on your 2025 model. If your oven is flashing F90 and refusing to cooperate, don't worry, it's often related to a door lock malfunction, and we're going to walk through the fixes step by step. This could save you a pricey service call. First things first, safety is key. Before you start, make sure your oven is unplugged or turned off at the circuit breaker to avoid any electrical mishaps. Got that? Great. Now, let's begin with the basics. Step 1. Inspect the oven door. Sometimes, F90 pops up because something's blocking the door from locking properly. Check for any debris, like crumbs or utensils, around the door seal. Give it a good wipe down with a soft cloth and see if that resolves the issue. If that doesn't do the trick, move on to step 2. Reset your oven. This is like giving your appliance a fresh start. Simply unplug it for about 5 minutes, then plug it back in and power it up. Run a quick test cycle to check if the error code has vanished. Easy, right? Still seeing F90? Time for step 3. Dive deeper into the door lock mechanism. Open the oven door and carefully examine the lock assembly for any visible damage or misalignment. If you're comfortable, you might try gently realigning it, but if it looks worn out, it's best to call in a professional. For more advanced users, step 4 involves checking the control board or wiring, but I recommend consulting your oven's manual or a technician for this. Remember, if you're unsure at any point, always err on the side of caution. There you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to banish that F90 error and get your Electrolux oven back to baking those delicious meals. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more handy tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and happy fixing.